Hello everyone, and welcome back to another English speaking lesson. I am very happy you are here today. Before we begin, I want to ask you a simple question. Think about someone who always believed in you. People like this are very special in our lives. They deserve our kind words. So today, you will talk about them in English. English helps you share your thoughts with other people. It helps you tell your own story. You can describe your parents with love. You can share happy family memories. You can express your feelings more clearly. That is why today's lesson is very important. First, let's warm up our speaking muscles. Please repeat every sentence after me. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Let's begin our lesson together. Family means everything to me. Family means everything to me. Family means everything to me. Now, think about one person you truly love. Keep that person in your mind and repeat with confidence. Family means everything to me. Family means everything to me. Family means everything to me. I cannot imagine my life without my family. I cannot imagine my life without my family. I cannot imagine my life without my family. They always support me when life becomes difficult. They always support me when life becomes difficult. My family gives me support every day. My family gives me support every day. My family gives me support every day. Excellent work. Now, let's learn how to talk about our family. For example, someone may ask, "Can you tell me about your family?" You can answer with simple sentences. Listen carefully and repeat every sentence 3 times. My family is small. My family is small. My family is small. There are 4 people in my family. There are 4 people in my family. There are 4 people in my family. I have one older brother. I have one older brother. I have one older brother. I also have one younger sister. I also have one younger sister. I also have one younger sister. My parents live in my hometown. My parents live in my hometown. My parents live in my hometown. My grandparents live in a small village. My grandparents live in a small village. My grandparents live in a small village. We love spending time together. We love spending time together. We love spending time together. We help each other every day. We help each other every day. We help each other every day. Sometimes we have different opinions. Sometimes we have different opinions. Sometimes we have different opinions. But we always care about each other. But we always care about each other. But we always care about each other. My family means everything to me. My family means everything to me. My family means everything to me. I feel happy when we are together. I feel happy when we are together. I feel happy when we are together. We have different hobbies and interests. We have different hobbies and interests. We have different hobbies and interests. We laugh together every day. We laugh together every day. We laugh together every day. We enjoy eating meals together. We enjoy eating meals together. We enjoy eating meals together. Parents are very important in our lives. They teach us many valuable lessons. They care for us and help us grow. Now, let's practice talking about our parents. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence. My parents are very kind. My parents are very kind. My parents are very kind. They always take good care of me. They always take good care of me. They always take good care of me. My mother is loving and patient. My mother is loving and patient. My mother is loving and patient. She always listens to me carefully. She always listens to me carefully. My father works very hard every day. My father works very hard every day. My father works very hard every day. He always gives me helpful advice. He always gives me helpful advice. He always gives me helpful advice. My parents encourage me to keep learning. My parents encourage me to keep learning. My parents encourage me to keep learning. I enjoy spending time with my parents. I enjoy spending time with my parents. I enjoy spending time with my parents. We often eat dinner together. We often eat dinner together. We often eat dinner together. We talk about our day together. We talk about our day together. We talk about our day together. I respect my parents very much. I respect my parents very much. I respect my parents very much. Wonderful work. You are becoming more confident every minute. These simple sentences help you speak naturally, so keep repeating them until they feel easy. Every time you repeat these sentences, your English becomes clearer and more natural. Do this practice every day for at least 10 minutes. Listen carefully, repeat with confidence, and try to copy the speaker's rhythm and pronunciation. Small daily practice brings big results over time. Do not worry about mistakes because they help you improve. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel for more easy English shadowing practice. Also, leave a comment and tell me which topic you want next. Your ideas help us create better lessons for everyone. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep learning and have a wonderful day. See you in the next lesson.